Roper St. Francis Healthcare's House Calls TV.
When it comes to hip replacement surgery, did you know there's a minimally invasive option that offers less pain and faster recovery? Dr. Patrick Murray explains.
What's become more popular is the anterior hip replacement. The advantage of the anterior hip replacement is it doesn't involve cutting through muscle. It does not involve detaching any muscle and then reattaching it as the other more traditional surgical approaches do.
This procedure also makes it easier for doctors to take x-rays in the operating room.
We can double check our work and make sure all the implants are the right size and they're in just the right position, which is much more difficult to do with traditional hip replacement approaches because of the way the patient has to be positioned on the bed.
And because less muscle tissue is cut, patients spend less time in the hospital and heal faster.
A lot of the pain that they had before surgery is immediately gone. The best thing about the anterior hip replacement is less pain after the surgery, a faster recovery. You're able to get up, get walking, get back to your normal life pretty quickly.
For more information, call 843-402-CARE. And for more House Calls TV, visit us online at rsfh.com. I'm Angela May.
Roper St. Francis Healthcare's House Calls TV.